Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Bilal Haider and you are watching me for Bilal. Guys, you may know that there are 200 plus countries in the world. These countries are separated from each other in the shape of border. Many of countries have sea water as their border, but some countries' border meet with other countries' border also. Border is considered as one of the most secure and calm place in the world. But some borders are really loving and amazing. In this video, we are going to talk about 10 most rare borders in the world. So let's count down. Number 10, Spain-Morocco border. There is a small city in Spain named as Ceuta. This city is totally lying in Morocco, and Morocco wants to take it under control. But Spanish government has made a 10-feet wall as a territory of the city. Yet some people try to enter Ceuta by crossing this wall, and many of them got injured. It is the only border in the world which is lying between a European country and an African country. Number 9, Barle-Nassau and Barle-Hertog. Guys, Barle-Nassau is located in Netherlands. Its territory meets with Barle-Hertog, which is located in Belgium, which means it is an amazing international border of Belgium and Netherlands. In this rare border, your one step will change your country. In this picture, it is a restaurant which is partially inside Netherlands and partially in Belgium. Number 8, Bertaville, Africa. Guys, Bertaville, Africa is an area of 2006 square mile, which is not considered as the part of any country in the world. It's a huge area. In this place, you can make your own country. Well, some common people have made this effort also. Jeremiah is an American. He went to this piece of place and considered it as his country, and he claims that his daughter is the princess of that place. Same like him, another man did also in 2011. Number 7, Mount Everest. Mount Everest is not only the highest place in the world, but it is also highest international border in the world. Oh yes guys, Nepalian and Chinese border is crossing the peak of Mount Everest, and internationally it is considered as the area of both countries. Number 6, Derby Line, Vermont. Guys, this is really amazing border in the world. This border is lying between Canada and United States. Even some people make their food in Canada and eat it in USA. Here is a theater which has a stage in Canada, and people who are watching are in USA. Number 5, the Korean Demilitarized Zone. This is the region which separates the South and North Korea, and it is the most populous military area in the world also. Yet no any civilian has tried to enter this region. It's not like a simple border because both of countries are still in the field of war. Number 4, Tumen River. Guys, Tumen River is in South Asia. It's also an amazing border. If you will cross this bridge, you will start walk in Korea, and after crossing 800 meters, you will reach China. But after that, you will enter the Russia. But guys, these all countries are very dangerous. So that's why no any person has yet tried to pass this bridge. Number 3, the Diomedes. Diomedes Island are two islands. One is small in size and other is very much large. Small island is located in America and its population is only 100 to 200 people. But the large one is under the Russian government, and you will be amazed to listen that its population is zero. Both islands have different time zones. There is a huge difference between the time zones of these countries, which means if you are going on American Ireland on 9 of morning on Saturday, after traveling 4 kilometers, and in Russian Island you will be enter the next day, which means Sunday. Number 2, the Four Corner Monument. Guys, it's not an international border, but yet it's an interesting border which is located at United States, and it is the only place of America where four 4 states' territory meet together. If you come on this monument, only your one step will take you to another state. Means you can go to Mexico to Arizona and Arizona to Colorado just with your one step. In this rare place, there is no facility of water, electricity and internet access. If you ever try to go this place, keep in your mind you must have to carry your water with yourself. Number 1. The IndoPak Border. Guys, the length of this border is 2900 kilometers. With this, it is considered as one of the largest international border in the world. It is the only border in the world which can be seen through space. Due to 150,000 lights on this border, and these lights can be seen through space at night. It is also a dangerous border in the world which passes through Siachen Glacier, where its temperature reaches -16 degrees. With that, it also passes a desert where its temperature reaches 50 degrees centigrade. This border is considered as one of the most rare border in the world. So guys, these were the rare borders in the world. How was the video? Comment your feedback in the comment box and subscribe my channel for latest videos.